100 verbs. And don't forget, thank you. You can also check out our food and numbers videos. The link is below. Let's start. Group 1. To have. We have a ball. I have 2 sisters. To be. I am happy. She is a singer. To do. I do my homework every day. Mom does the laundry on Sunday. To go. They go to school together. He goes to work at 8 a.m. To say. She says yes. What did you say? To want. Do you want to play with me? I want some ice cream, please. To think. She thinks this book is great. I think I have an idea. To make. He makes a delicious coffee. We make cookies for the party. To know. I don't know where my phone is. I know where it is. To take. Take an umbrella. It's raining. He takes a shower every night. Group 2. Can or to be able to. Can you help me? I'm sick. I can't go to school today. To need. I'm hungry. I need to eat. I'm out of gas. I need gas. To feel. How do you feel today? I feel great today. To ask. The teacher asks a question. Can you come to my house? I need to ask my mom. To put. He puts the toys in the box. She puts the book in the bag. To leave. The bus leaves in 5 minutes. I'm late. I need to leave now. To begin. The movie begins now. The year begins on January 1st. To keep. Keep your eyes open, please. Can you keep a secret? To let. Can you let me do it, Mom? Let me help you. To eat. It's time to eat. I like to eat vegetables. Group 3. To drink. It's hot. I want to drink water. What do you want to drink? To show. I want to show you a video. Let me show you a picture. To hear. I can't hear what you said. Uh-oh, I hear a noise. To play. Do you want to play with me? Let's play in the park. To jump. I can jump high. The frog jumps in the water. To move. Can you move, please? I can't see the TV. We need to move these boxes. To live. Where do you live? I live in Los Angeles, California. To help. Can you help me with my homework? Help, I hurt myself. To bring. I always bring my books to school. Bring me my eyeglasses, please. And now, group 4. To happen. What happened? My car is on fire. Tell me what happened. To write. I write in my book. I need to write an essay for school. To draw. No, do not draw on the wall. I am drawing a cat. To stand. I stand up. The subway is full, so we need to stand up. To sit. I'm tired. I need to sit. All the students sit on their chairs at school. To win. I always win when I play video games. If you win, you get a big trophy. To lose. Did you lose your phone? Ugh, I don't like to lose when I play. To pay. You can pay by credit card. I want to pay in cash. To meet. Hello, it's nice to meet you. John, meet my sister Laura. To choose. I don't know which card to choose. You need to choose yes or no. Group 5. To set. Please set the table. Set the oven on high. To learn. I read to learn new things. We learn a lot at school. To understand. I don't understand this lesson. I understand math very well. To watch. We watch a movie at the movie theater. My brother loves to watch movies. To follow. Follow the map to find the treasure. At school, I follow the rules. To stop. The policeman said stop. You must stop at the red light. To call. Can you call me later? My brother is calling me. To change. I want to change my clothes. The mom changes the diaper. To speak. I can speak 3 languages. Do you speak English? To read. I love to read lots of books. I read the news on my tablet. Group 6. To spend. Don't spend too much money shopping. We like to spend all day at the beach. To grow. Look at you, you're growing so fast. I water my plant so it can grow. To open. Can you open the door, please? The store is open. We can go in. To walk. I walk to school every day. You walk too fast. Slow down, please. To teach. I teach English to my students. Can you teach me how to play guitar? To forget. I always forget the code of my phone. Don't forget your doctor's appointment. To remember. I don't remember where I put my keys. Remember, the show starts at 5 p.m. To buy. We want to buy a new house. Did you buy a new car? To die. Put the fish in the bowl or it will die. Drive safely so you don't die. To send. I want to send a letter to Grandma. You can send an email to your boss. Group 7. Almost there. To build. The girl builds a sandcastle. They are building a new hotel. To stay. I want to stay home today. Bye, I can't stay, I need to go. To fall. Oh no, I'm going to fall. I love when the leaves fall on the ground. To cut. The hairdresser cuts my hair. My mom cuts the vegetables. To kill. The cat wants to kill the mouse, but it's a toy. Lions have to kill other animals to eat. To sell. I'm selling my house. This bakery sells delicious bread. To like. I like to go shopping. Ugh, I don't like spiders. To pass. Pass the ball, please. I passed the test. To decide. I need to decide if I'm going or not. I can decide, apple or cake. To return. Dad returns in 3 days. I want to return your tablet. Group 8. To turn. The sign says turn left. Turn the page of the book. To hope. I hope I pass this class. I hope my baby is a girl. To love. I love my parents so much. The man loves the lady, so he wants to marry her. To carry. I help my mom carry the books. It takes 2 people to carry this big box. To break. Careful, don't break the window. You broke my heart. To receive. I received a package today. I just received an email. To agree. Yes, I agree. It's a great idea. These ladies never agree at work. To hit. She can hit the ball really hard. The kids hit the piñata. To kick. He kicks the ball like a champion. Wow, she can kick so high. To catch. The goalie catches every ball. I like to catch butterflies. Group 9. To throw. She throws the tennis ball. It's bad to throw trash on the ground. To cook. The chef cooks a delicious pizza. We love to cook dinner together. To fix. Dad fixes the pipe, it's broken. I can fix this car very fast. To work. I work in an office. My computer doesn't work. To travel. I want to travel and see the world. We always travel by car. To hide. What are you hiding behind your back? Let's play. I'm hiding behind the tree. To hurt. This little girl hurt her knee. Ouch, my stomach hurts. To drive. I like to drive fast. I'm learning to drive. To ring. Your phone is ringing. Ring the doorbell, Dad will open the door. To shine. The sun shines so bright. We wash the car so it can shine. And finally, Group 10. To sing. We sing for the class concert. I love to sing in the shower. To cry. The baby is crying because he is hungry. When I'm sad, I cry. To fly. I wish I could fly like Superman. There are a lot of bugs flying here. To wear. The king wears a crown. Wear your coat, it's cold outside. To hold. Let me hold the baby. They are holding a big fish. To spread. The bat spreads its wings. I like to spread chocolate on my bread. To steal. The thief steals money. He is stealing a wallet. To swim. We like to go swim at the swimming pool. The ducks are swimming in the pond. To feel. I feel cold because it's snowing. I feel so angry today. To believe. I don't believe in aliens. I'm strong. I believe in myself. We did it! 100 verbs? Done! Great job, guys! Now don't forget to click like and subscribe, then move on to watch our food and numbers videos. Thank you!